campus this huge and magnificent. I'm live at MAHE Campus Bangalore covering this event Open House 3.0. The question you need to ask students is, are you industry ready? If the answer is no, this is the place where they prepare you to be industry ready. All the very, very best.
We started this campus in the year 2022. It's a 80.74 acres campus.
We have 9 higher education institutes in the campus, from engineering to law and management, liberal arts, design and commerce as well.
Every program in MAHE Bengaluru is actually designed keeping in industry requirements.
From the Department of Liberal Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences at MAHE Bengaluru Campus, we offer 7 different programs.
MAHE basically has 3 areas where it develops students. We are very clear that students should have meaningful education, a fantastic campus life and a career.
We have many hands-on learning courses. We also have MOUs with around 200 universities. MAHE has MOUs and we are developing many of them for law schools as well.
It is very, very important to know that design is everywhere.
Yeah.
You cannot have any object without design.
True.
So the trick is to understand design in its true perspective and go forward based on what you'd like to do within design. And we are always there to help and counsel you in terms of what should be done.
Who are the students who can apply for this course at MAHE?
Life sciences, biotechnology. Some people from biomedical engineering background has also taken this in our course and they have done really well.
What is the USP of MIT Bangalore?
MIT Bengaluru is looking forward to ensure that kids who are going to make this informed choice are being lived up to. And what MIT does in this realm is futuristic jobs, which are in the area of quantum computing, maybe in the area of gamifications or digital twins, or in the area of autonomous mobility, are being very, very strictly crafted into the curriculum.
So if you look at the pass percentage of MIT, which is one of the flagships, we had a batch of about 220 in the first batch, and
Nice.
Yeah, we had about 70% of students being placed, and the highest compensation being about...
Yes, I was about to come to the compensation, the salary part. Yeah.
Yes, the highest compensation being about 68.9 by a company by name Confluent.
Nice.
Yeah, and there is also Microsoft, who have offered about 50 plus.
We generate future leaders, and we strongly believe that future leaders are not just a person who has academic knowledge.
Yeah.
He should have a holistic knowledge
Yes.
of multiple things, which we give them by various experiential learning.
Hello! Hi! Now, there are future ready students. They are here to enroll. Let me quickly ask, did you enjoy this campus?
Yeah, we did.
Enike, why did you come here?
For learning new things,
Like what new things?
like technology and those codings.
What are your future plans?
To do CS, like gaming.
Gaming? Oh, Nevo, what did you like about today open house 3.0?
Surroundings.
Ashte, na bandide building hai. I like the building. Why did you take liberal art?
Whenever I dreamt of what I have to do, it was always something that it should go with my dance and creative aspects, blend with something to do with humanities or something like that. So when I was going through courses, and I know that Manipal is one of the best.
So I have a background in music, photography, I'm an author, and I knew that I want to go into a degree which has a lot of creative exposure with it.
I primarily chose MIT Bangalore because MIT Bangalore gives us the correct global exposure.
A backbone of an institute are its professors.
I chose MIT because it grows me as a person.
TAPMI is the TAPMI Management Institute.
TAPMI Management Institute.
So it's like making us business ready, and a speciality about...
You're business ready now?
Yeah. Actually, we are getting more practical exposure at TAPMI.
I learned from it the most would be leadership. TAPMI is basically a hub of finance, human resources, entrepreneurship, and many more.
The main reason that I joined BCom over here, because it opens up a new stream of opportunities.
We opened our applications on September 29th and we'll be closing it on March 15th.